Good morning, children. This is Vijaya here to discuss a few general topics. In the last videos, we have discussed about the states, union territories, and their capitals, and also we have discussed about the national symbols of India. In our previous video, I told you to practice tongue twisters. I hope you did. And today, without any late, we shall go to our topic. Today's topic is a few of the largest, highest, longest and smallest in India. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss about the highest, some of the highest in India. So, the highest dam is Bhakra Dam. This was built over Satluj River in Punjab. The height of this dam, Bhakra Dam, is 226 meters. But please continue this in your GK book. I already told you to put a GK book and I already told you to write everything in your book, right? So, continue this. Highest waterfall, Kunchikal waterfall. This is located in Karnataka. You can see the pictures here. Highest airport, Leh. Highest airport is situated in Leh, Ladakh. Highest gateway, Buland Darwaja, Fatehpuri Sikri. That is situated in Fatehpuri Sikri, Agra. Okay. Highest battlefield. The highest battlefield is Siachen Glaciers. Highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga. This is situated in Sikkim. And the Siachen Glaciers is located in the eastern Karakoram mountain range in the Himalayas. Okay, in the Himalayas, in the eastern Karakoram mountain range, this Siachen Glaciers is located. And the highest mountain peak is Kanchenjunga, that is in Sikkim. And some of us may think that the highest mountain peak is K2. That is correct, but K2 is situated in Pak occupied Kashmir. So this is situated in Sikkim. We are discussing about the highest in India. So K2 is situated in the Pak occupied Kashmir. So Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India, which is situated in the border of India and Nepal in the Himalayan range of Sikkim. Okay. Highest civilian award. Highest civilian award in India is Bharat Ratna. Here you can see the picture of that award. Highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra. Gallantry award means Dhairya Sahasaలకు మెచ్చి ఇచ్చే award. Paramveer Chakra. Here you can see the picture of that award, Paramveer Chakra. Next, we are going to discuss about the largest in India. Okay. Largest port. The largest port is Mumbai Port. That is situated in Mumbai. Mumbai Port is the largest port in India. Largest zoo, the Zoological Garden, which is situated in Kolkata. Okay, the largest zoo is Zoological Garden in Kolkata. Largest museum, National Museum. This is also located in Kolkata. You can see the picture of National Museum here. Largest forest area. That means the state which is having the largest forest area in India is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is the state with largest forest area. Largest state in area. When compared with its area, the largest state is Rajasthan. and the largest state in population, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, don't be confused, Nana. Largest state in area is Rajasthan, largest state in population is Uttar Pradesh. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple, Amritsar in Punjab. Okay, largest Gurudwara is the Golden Temple, which is situated in Amritsar in Punjab state. Here you can see the Golden Temple. Here you are not able to see the word here. Largest saltwater lake. Okay, largest saltwater lake is Chilika Lake in Odisha. Okay, ma. Once again I am telling you, largest saltwater lake is Chilika Lake in Odisha. Largest church, Saint Cathedral, that is situated in Goa. Here you can see the picture of church, largest church. Largest freshwater lake. In the previous slide I told you the largest saltwater lake. Here largest freshwater lake, Ular Lake in Kashmir. Ular Lake is situated in Kashmir. Largest delta, Sundarban Delta, which is situated in West Bengal. Largest Bank of India, State Bank of India is the largest bank of India. Largest planetarium, Birla Planetarium in Kolkata. Okay, largest planetarium is Birla Planetarium in Kolkata. Largest mosque, Jama Masjid in Delhi. Okay, this is about the largest in India. Okay children, we have discussed about the highest and largest. As I already told you, note it down and read well. We shall meet in the next video. Bye.